frequency microneedling device. So what that means is it has these tiny little needles that go underneath the skin, and the tips of those needles heat up. And that heat can help regenerate collagen from different levels underneath the skin. The biggest issue that I found with a lot of these devices was the discomfort. And you need to get a certain amount of energy underneath the skin to see results. Why Virtue is different than other devices is because you have the ability to what I call subpulse the energy. Because that energy is subpulse, meaning it kind of goes like 1, 2, 3, the patients are more comfortable, we can get more energy in, and people are seeing better results because of that. Virtue RF is great for people who have deeper wrinkles, who also have acne scars. I also really like Virtue RF for kind of preventative maintenance. Because the energy is underneath the skin, can be done during all times of the year. We might choose to do lighter treatments in the summertime because sun and energy-based devices don't mix very well. And we typically recommend 3 treatments spaced about 4 to 6 weeks apart. And sometimes if somebody does have deeper wrinkles or more acne scarring, they might need more treatments. Basically, you can kind of treat as many times as you want until we're seeing the results that we want to see.